Hook, tired of juggling multiple email accounts? Ever thought about ditching Relay for good? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into how to bid farewell to your Relay account. Let's get started. Understanding the why. Before we jump into the how-to, let's talk about why you might want to close your Relay account. Maybe you're consolidating your email life, switching to a different service, or simply tired of the clutter. Whatever your reason, it's important to understand the implications before taking the plunge. What happens when you close your Relay account? Let's clear the air. Closing your Relay account is permanent. Once it's done, your emails, contacts, and everything else associated with that account is gone for good. No second chances, no recovery options. So, before you hit that delete button, make sure you've backed up anything important. Step-by-step guide to closing your Relay account. Now, let's get to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually close your Relay account? Log in. The first step is obvious. Log into your Relay account. Check for active subscriptions. If you're on a paid plan, make sure to cancel any active subscriptions. You don't want to keep getting charged after you've closed your account. Export your data. If you want to save your emails, contacts, or other information, now's the time to export it. Most email services offer export options. Forward your emails. If you want to keep your email address, you can set up email forwarding to another account. This way, any email sent to your Relay address will be forwarded to your new email. Delete your account. Finally, it's time to say goodbye. Look for the account settings or preferences section and find the option to delete your account. Troubleshooting common issues. Closing an account isn't always smooth sailing. You might encounter some bumps along the way. Here are some common issues and how to tackle them. Account deletion confirmation. Some email providers require you to confirm your account deletion. This is a security measure to prevent accidental deletions. Data recovery. If you accidentally delete your account before exporting your data, don't panic. Some email providers offer data recovery options for a limited time. Technical difficulties. If you're facing technical issues, reach out to Relay's customer support. They might be able to assist you. Additional tips and tricks. Consider alternatives. Before closing your Relay account, explore other email providers that might better suit your needs. Back up your data regularly. It's always a good practice to back up your email data regularly, even if you're not planning to close your account. Review your privacy settings. Take some time to review your Relay account privacy settings before closing it. Make sure you're comfortable with how your data has been handled. Conclusion. Closing your Relay account might seem daunting, but with the right steps, it can be a straightforward process. Remember, it's a big decision, so take your time and weigh your options carefully. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.